Hey guys, today I'm come across these houses in Bangalore. I have come to see the houses because of so many reasons. So I'm just looking around and I will show you what I am looking. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Bye. This area you can see all the apartments. The far you can see, you will see only the apartments in this area. This is one of the happening areas here. And you have lot of apartments coming over here. We have come here to see the apartments inside because we have to see and book one of the apartments. I am looking how the builder builds these apartments. That's my dad. Hello. Hello, daddy.
Hello.
So that's my dad. And then we have these kitchen and build-up area. It's just a random things. So I will show you that. I'm in one of the petrol bunks. So my brother is getting the petrol. So I am here. I'm just walking out of the petrol bunk. We are just going to look for another site or apartment area. We are just done with talking to the builder and it was really nice experience. The climate is lovely. And that's it. And what else I say you guys, I'm wearing this nail polish, I am wearing my Charles & Keith goggles, my eyes have little bit of makeup, I have this marks from the goggles, and I'm wearing this t-shirt which is a red t-shirt with this scarf. So I hope you guys like this vlog and I don't know what is, I am planning to do a sister tag as well, so maybe I'll do it in some time. Oh my god, I don't know which car is it, but this is a lovely car. I don't know what that guy will feel, but I am recording his car, not him. But that's awesome. I'm so happy to see that car in Bangalore. शंकर जी भी रखे हैं देखिए और गणेश जी लाने से पहले स्थापना करनी होती है। हाँ, हमें शुद्धिकरण भी नहीं करना। Hey guys, you must have seen me in my last video that I have come to this plot area because they are building up an apartment here, but this time after 2 weeks when I have come here, they have already started the construction. So you can see there is a cow. That's a milking cow. They take out milk from her, and there is Scooty Pep parked over here, and you can see the rocks or the walls. They have already started working on this area and they are building up this area. They are going to cover this area. There will be 250 apartments coming up in this area, and you have these beautiful coconut trees here in the starting of the area, and there are coconut trees in and around this area, and there is also a beautiful lake in the background. So this is the area and this is how the work is in the progress right now. You can see my sister. She's my sister, and that is the office. That's the office for this apartment that they're going to build. And that's my brother. So that's it. Okay. Is it recording? Okay, hello guys, meet my sister Preeti. I am Jyoti and we are here in the outskirts of the Bangalore. Today is Sunday and we have come here to enjoy this outside city weather and climate. You can see the paddy field here, it's very much green. Show them the close-up of the paddy fields. These are all the paddy fields. They grow them in water completely, and then you can see all that beautiful coconut trees. It's a big coconut farm where they will grow coconut and they sell it later. And you can also see that the weather is so nice today. So me and my sister and my brother, we all have come here to enjoy this weather. What am I wearing is normal outfit and I'm enjoying it. Are you enjoying?
It's beautiful.
It's
lovely
beautiful,
weather.
it's lovely,
It's very
raining.
soothing, and seeing this greenery, it just relaxes my eyes.
And there is a beautiful white temple over there. You can see the goddess temple as well. So I am in India. I am totally enjoying my stay in the Bangalore.
Click picture.
We can go ahead and click beautiful paddy field pictures. So we are going to take my brother there to click our pictures. My sister is already running there because see, it's so beautiful. So we are gonna go there and click pictures.
But it's actually very muddy. I don't know how.
Don't go too in. I'll just click a picture from here.
No, that's near the tree.
No,
I want to
it's
lie.
fine.
No, I want to lie on that.
You can slip. You can slip it. Smile. Smile. You can click for me.
I'll go there and
No.
stand. Don't fall back.
Don't go too in because it's really very.
Where are we going?
Okay. Lovely pictures. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. We have clicked lovely pictures and thank you so much for watching. We love you all.